Hello students, in the previous class we have discussed about the paragraph 2 and 3 of the chapter A Letter to God. Have you gone through the paragraphs we have discussed? Okay, then let me know who is the main character. Lencho. ठीक अच्छी. What was Lencho's prediction? Did his prediction come true? Then why did he come out? What fell from the sky with the rain? Lencho's happiness continued or vanished? Then let us know more about the story and read the sense group 3 and paragraph 4, 5 and 6. So open your book. "It is really getting bad now," exclaimed the man. "I hope it passes quickly." It did not pass quickly. For an hour the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. The field was white as if covered with salt. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, "A plague of locusts would have left more than this. The hail had left nothing. This year we will have no corn." That night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. There is no one who can help us. We will go hungry this year. But in the heart of all who lived in that solitary house, in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Don't be so upset. Even though this seems like a total loss, remember, no one dies of hunger. So now, students, you read silently and find out the words which you could not follow. Let me know the words which are very difficult and you can't understand. Locust. Locust, you know, एबे एबे आमर न्यूज रे टीवी रे देखिथिबो आमर पंगपाळ सब आसीथिले मध्य प्रदेश पर्यंत आसीथिले ओडिसा को आसीए बोली आमे एक्सपेक्ट करूथिले किंतु लकीली से माने चली गले सेई पंगपाळ मानु को आमे कहबा लोकस्ट. सो ए प्लेग ऑफ लोकस्ट, दैट मीन्स ए ग्रुप ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स व्हिच eat all the crops, all the flowers, fruits, vegetables, leaves, everything they eat. Even a single crop will not be left if there will be a group of locusts in the field. So Lencho was happy in the beginning when the rain accompanied with hailstones continued for an hour, and it fell everywhere, on the house, in the garden, hillside, cornfield, valley, everywhere there were hailstorms. As a result, all the crops were destroyed. Not a single leaf or flower remained on the trees. All were gone from the plants. So Lencho's happiness turned into sadness. He became very upset. And when the storm passed away, he stood in the middle of his cornfield and addressed his sons. "This year there will be no crop at all, so we have to remain hungry." Why? Because, you know, in the beginning I have told Lencho's house was a solitary house. He had no friends, no neighbor, no relatives. So he was all alone. So there were nobody to help him. So he was very much upset. He was very much disturbed. He was very much confused. Why? Because he thought there is nobody to help him. How will he manage his family for the whole year? There was not a single crop. All the crops were destroyed. So, but there was one hope. When we have no one to help us, there is only one hope, a single hope. That is help from God. कारण तुम्हें गाँव में समस्ते कहती जानी जे जार कहीं ना तार भगवान अच्छा तेणु ठीक सेमती लेंचो केस रे लेंचर कहीं नथिले किंतु तार भगवान को ऊपर अतूट विश्वास थिला तेणु से भाविला नो वन डाइज ऑफ हंगर इवन इफ देयर इज नो क्रॉप इवन इफ देयर इज नो फ्रेंड्स नो रिलेटिव्स नो नेबर then there is God. God will definitely help him. So this is the paragraph. Now we can summarize that Lencho, who was very hardworking man, but nature could not support him. There was hailstorm. And hailstorm, you know, in the last class I also have told. Storm. Storm means bad weather accompanied with heavy rain, wind, lightning and thunder. जोटा को आम कहती झड़ वर्षा तेणु स्टॉर्म सांगरे जो हेल मिसीगला हेलस्टोन्स पड़ा स्टॉर्म सहित आम कहले हेल स्टॉर्म हेल कही तुमको हेलस्टोन a small ball of ice that falls from the sky with rain. यही क्वेश्चन गुड़ाक आमर डेफिनेटली एग्जाम रे आसीबो तेणु बारंबार कहूची एगुड़िक मन रखिबो सिंगल वर्ड रे आसीबो व्हाट इज स्टॉर्म व्हाट इज हेलस्टोन व्हाट इज हेलस्टॉर्म तल स्टॉर्म रो डेफिनेशन जानिलो हेलस्टोन रो डेफिनेशन जानिलो तल हेलस्टॉर्म कहिले हेलस्टोन प्लस स्टॉर्म दैट इज हेलस्टॉर्म दैट मीन्स storm along with the falling of hailstone. So hailstorm continued for an hour. So Lencho's happiness turned to sadness and he hoped only God will help him. God helps those who help themselves. So Lencho was a very brave but innocent farmer. So God will definitely help him. That faith was in his mind along with all family members. His family members were also believer of God. So they all thought God will definitely help them. Now, tell me, if you understood the paragraphs properly, then answer me. How long did the hailstorm rain? Who can say? Yes, you tell. For an hour. Good. Then his field was covered with what? Covered with salt. Covered with salt? No, not covered with salt. Covered with hailstones, and that was looking like salt. The cornfield was not covered with salt. It was covered with hailstones which were looking like salt. Then, where did Lencho stand when the storm passed away? In the middle of the cornfield. Whom did he address? To his sons. So, what was the single hope in the mind of all the family members of Lencho? The help from God. Okay, did you understand? Then you will go through the stanzas at home and come prepared to the next class. Thank you all.